Sinister C6 here with an update. Have Boo with me today. We wanted to tell you about the car, or the pile of parts that it is right now. About a year ago, I was out driving and the transmission blew up due to assembly difficulties. And once the car got back to the shop, the place that originally put the car together and tuned it went out of business, unfortunately. So I was left with a pile of parts, nothing labeled or any sort of clear instruction on how to reassemble it. And I was faced with a decision: do I start from scratch, or do I keep going and try to realize my vision of a twin-turbo Corvette that can be driven pretty regularly? Fortunately, I was directed to G-Speed Performance in Crescent, Texas by my engine builder, Kurt Urban, and Chris and his team there have been incredible. They got the car, quickly identified a lot of safety issues, a lot of reliability concerns, and have since been working on the car. So for the past year, it's been out of my hands and in their expertise. There is a number of new features going in. Could make whole videos about ways they wanted to improve the platform. But some basics are Motec and Sadev, who is a sequential transmission manufacturer. So I think those two components alone will add a lot of reliability and fun to the whole project. As it gets completed, I'll have more updates. I'm happy to talk about specifics, maybe give somebody some direction as to how to build their own race car. And when it's back, you will certainly be the first to see it in action. Until then, stay tuned. Hopefully more updates shortly.